Okay guys, so alam niyo na, it's that time of the month.
Si ko talaga eh.
Ako si Corky. Ako si Corky.
Pantay na.
Pantay na. Miha Girls Baptism. Wala kaming bonggang celebration. Hey! Welcome to Trinoma!
Pinakabuka.
I want to get these stickers.
I know, yes.
Hey guys, super na-miss namin mag-vlog and we miss you all. Even though hindi kami nakakapag-upload ng vlog, we always make sure to video everything. So let's start by going back in time nung September. This was Miha's first ever checkup with her pedia. Si Doc kasi sinasabi niya na super kamukha ni Miha si Mark, and yun, I'm showing the pictures here to prove her right.
Kuya, tahimik ang mundo.
Akala mo okay lang si Heras dyan at pa-relax, pero sa totoo lang, kinakabahan na siya dyan at on the way pa lang, super tense niya. Miha girl has been our little bundle of joy, truly the princess of the family. We all love her so much, including Corky. And not only is she very bungis-ngis, pero daldalita, super! Very good. Oh, tapos na. Tapos na.
Pasuot mo, nag-blend lahat.
Ay, masistress yan lagi.
Ang nakakastress yung paano mag-blend.
Oo nga eh. Sino? Super strong and matapang ang baby girl namin. Mabilis siyang naka-move on kahit umiyak siya ng super malala. She's a strong girl and she was very long for her age pala, sabi ni Doc. But very healthy in weight. She's breastfed. Thank you God for keeping Miha very healthy and strong. Here are just some random clips that I've been taking. This is what we've been doing most of our time. It is true when they say that the most special moments aren't caught on camera.
Stop. Mia. Listen. Mia. Listen. Stop. No.
We've all just been enjoying the moment without any use of technological devices, just capturing everything with our eyes and just feeling the moment. Witnessing these two slowly discover their sibling relationship have been the most priceless moments for all of us. We thought we would have a hard time with Corky adjusting to having another sibling, but no, he loves his little sister so much. My dad was home, guys. He was home here in the Philippines for the past 3 months. Swim! He went here for vacation and gusto niya lang talaga makasama yung dalawang apo niya. And syempre, gusto niyang makita yung bahay. And speaking of the house, yun yung isang chore niya dyan lagi sa bahay is cleaning the pool, which is why Mark and Corky always go swimming. Hello, guys! Today is Miha Girls Baptism. Wala kaming bonggang celebration. It is just her being baptized today. And wala kaming bonggang party sa events place. We're just having an intimate salo-salo dito sa bahay para yung mga ibang kamag-anak and family members makita yung bahay. Sa first birthday na niya, magbonggang celebration. Marami na kaming gastos the past few days, so tipid-tipid muna. Sa bahay na lang muna ang mga celebration. Ang importante, mabinyagan na si baby girl namin. And kasi maraming work na upcoming si Mark. And my dad has been here. Quick update na hindi ko pa... Oh.
Sis, thank you, Dad!
Thank you! Salamat! Ate Kim, I'll see you there.
Bago yung kotse mo?
Ano ba yan? May maupo ka pa dyan, wala na.
Ay, oo nga. Ay, hindi, Ate Kim, ang daming gamit. Or one of the ninangs of Miha. So, we're on our way to the church. The reason why ngayon na yung binyag is biglaan. My dad has been staying here for the past 2 months for vacation sa US. So, kailangan biglaan. I mean, kailangan ngayon na gawin yung binyag. And then si Mark, biglang maraming work. And
Saan naman tayo?
dami nangyayari. Then nag-adjust din kami sa oras and schedule ng simbahan. Hi, Ate Kim!
Hello! Di ba nakisakay pa ako? Kasi nga, mahirap ang parking. Diba? BMW car. Hindi siya pwedeng ibalani.
We're honored to have
Ay,
you.
Miha, okay ka lang siya. Wala pala siya. Sabi na siya ng damit. Diba?
Sipon.
Taga-chika. Kakagaling lang ni Miha. Cookie! They're just setting up, then magsa-start na kami. Here are just a few of my favorite pictures nung binyag ni Miha. Obviously guys, hindi na naman ako nakapag-vlog kasi super busy that day. We also had a short little fun trip to Tarlac. It was Miha's first time. Miha is definitely an extrovert. Gustong-gusto niya na mamasyal. Grabe. Ikaw, ano, yung chicken or yung gyoza? Ayun, ramen, no? Aha.
Sa highway na malamang na sige.
Ikaw yung sa may Pilipinas.
Corky has been doing so well in school. His speech has been fabulous, like magnificently improving and well na. Wow, look at you! You're so handsome! Wow!
Okay guys, so alam nyo na, it's that time of the month. Time to do our groceries online. Siyempre, saan? Kundi sa Isitan Online Store. Sa mga hindi pa rin nakakalam nito guys, ito yung pinaka-fastest and easiest way para mag-grocery na hindi kayo aalis sa bahay, hindi kayo makikipagsabayan sa traffic. At same-day delivery siya guys. So yun ang maganda. After you choose your groceries online, dun sa website ng Isitan Online Store, then same-day delivery. Diba? Sobrang sarap. Sobrang yes. Okay, so I'm done. Wait. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, after ko mag-order kanina sa Isitan Online Store, wala, ayan na, dumating na siya. Same day delivery siya guys. So ayan, makita nyo lahat ng mga groceries na in-order ko online. Siyempre, ito yung mga frozen goods. Ayan na, alam nyo na, mga hotdog, nuggets, longganisa, whatever, chicken tocino. Siyempre, yung mga powdered juices, like ayan, yung mga calamansi, iced tea, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Siyempre, canned goods, yung mga hilig namin kainin talaga. At siyempre, hindi mawala ang sinigang mix. Para sa sinigang to, kasi paborito nga ni Corky, ang sinigang and me. Then, yung mga kailangan namin, like mga gatas, cereals, kape, for pasta, mushrooms, and then yung mga cubes, mantika, tapos hanggang sa mga panglaba, panglinis ng bahay, pangpatay ng mga GPs. Lahat, kumpleto yan. Kumpleto lahat ng kailangan ng natin sa buhay. Ito, si Corky yan. So, kumpleto ang Isitan Online Store sa lahat ng kailangan natin sa bahay, sa pang-araw-araw, at para mabuhay. So guys, try nyo na Isitan Online Store. You're gonna order online sa website nila. Tapos after nyo mag-online, just gonna, I think you're gonna send it to them basically. Same day delivery. Isitan Online Store, napakadali, napaka-basic, wala nang hassle. So guys, huwag nyo nang antayin na Wala. Regulante yan. So,
And later you'll cook the hotdog and the nuggets.
yes, pero you're on a diet, so...
Hi guys! Wow, has it been a while since we last vlogged? Where are you going? Are you gonna bring? Who are you gonna bring? Yes, we have a lot of things to do in Trinoma today. It's also Miha Girl's first day out. Galing sa mga ninong and ninang niya and yung mga savings ni Miha. Miha got a lot of blessings nung binyag niya. So we're gonna go to Trinoma and get her a little drawer kasi hindi ko gusto yung drawer na ginagamit niya ngayon. It's only temporary lang. And we found a nice drawer in Trinoma, so we're gonna get that for her. Corky is also gonna get a haircut today. And Mark and I need to do some ID pictures for something that I cannot say. Yeah, and it's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be Miha's first trip to Trinoma or to any mall. And my dad is back na sa America. He needs to go back to work, pero he is retiring very soon. My dad is really excited to retire kasi all he just wants to do is spend time with his apo. Ayaw na nga niya bumalik ng Amerika kasi ayaw niyang iwanan yung mga apo niya, lalo na si Corky. Sobra yung bonding nila ni Corky, grabe. And hanggang ngayon si Corky laging hinahanap si Papalo niya. Hindi niya magets yung Amerika. He thinks that he just went to the mall or the groceries. Where's Papalo?
Momoy?
Where's he's in?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Nainua.
And what are you gonna buy?
Book.
Buy book.
Yeah.
Okay. He's still in love with dinosaurs, pero we've noticed a huge transition. Ayaw na niya ng toys. Gusto na niya ng mga libro, mga puzzles. Very talino. Yeah, guys, I know what you're wondering. Yung buhok ko ang pangit. Hindi ko pa rin siya nakukulayan, guys. I have not been focused on any kind of pampering, losing weight, or anything to make myself look manicured and all. My focus right now is to just be a mom to my daughter and my son. Especially si Miha, she needs me right now. I'm her lifeline because I'm breastfeeding her. If you guys have been following our social media account, you'll know that I've been showing some footage of how I breastfeed. I'm an exclusive pumper and just providing enough for my baby is my priority right now. I am a dairy factory, open 24/7, and I have to make sure I'm eating right, I'm drinking right for my baby. And I've noticed kasi if I try to lose weight and I exercise, when I try to diet, kumukonti yung milk ko. I'm an oversupplier right now. And sobrang dami ko ng milk na natatago sa freezer, yung freezer stash ko, super dami. Dito, yung dalawang ref namin, yung dalawang freezer, may mga laman na. Pati sa dating bahay kung saan kami nagsistay, yung bahay ng mami ko, may mga milk na rin doon. Kasi hindi na kasya dito. I'm pretty sure it's fine if I decrease a little, pero syempre, habang tumatagal, when babies grow older, they get more, their appetite grows, obviously. And Miha, recently, 2 weeks ago, her appetite increased. So, I really have to make sure na I'm still producing as much or even more. Pero ano lang to, guys, konting tiis na lang. And I really want to get back to my old self, my old itsura. It's because, guys, I'm putting that aside muna, just for now. Kasi my priority right now, hanggang mag 1-year-old or 1.5-year-old si Miha, ako yung lifeline niya. Ako ang magbibigay ng buhay sa kanya. Wow, buhay! I'm just really so happy being a mom of 2, guys. It's really hard. Yeah! Hold on. Wow! Daddy na. Congratulations. Hi! Welcome to Trinoma. Hi, Miha. Uy.
Bordes.
Uy, hi, Miha. Bah. Hi. Hi.
Magkano naman dito?
Cute.
Kahit sinits ka. Ay.
Hindi. Hi.
Kasi nakabuka ka ikaw. Buka ka rin, bukang kang yan. Bukang kang.
I think I wanna get these stickers. My gosh. Kakain na kami ng yellow cab. Corky, stay here. Stay here. We're gonna eat yellow cab na because we're hungry. We're in the mood for pizza. Wait, now that's your book? Is that your book?
Yes.
Yay.
Oh, bukas ulit.
Wait,
Gising ka na naman.
we're gonna drain what's in here.
Mamaya, pag uwi namin, gising ka na.
Don't mind that.
He's so mad at my shield.
Tempered glass. Tempered glass.
Oh, good night na daw.
Ay, good night.
Say good night to Papa Lo. Say good night.
Okay, so I brought a bottle.
I love you, Baba.
Oh.
Nana, ano cover niya?
Ito anak ko. There's a cow on the loose. Huwag mo naman ang cover na nakita.
Hindi ka lang over talaga.
Anong oink, oink, oink? Cookie!
Oink, oink,
Anong oink, oink?
Oh.
Hindi ka.
Diba doon ka na tumukuha sa taas kanina? Ba't nakatupoy mo ka? Okay, no.
Okay.
Okay, no. Rangers ako.
Pamasyal. Really, andito mo lang.
Yes. Awake.
Yeah, she's awake.
I
Sir?
think you would. Oh wow.
Hello, everybody.
Up.
Dagat.
Kain ka muna. Mikmik muna. As ano? Parang hot honey.
Hot honey.
Hot honey.
Kasama daddy. Ay, huwag ka daddy. Ay, yes. I know, yes. Patay na dadalita ikaw. Ay, nam. Oh.